Hello there, it's Francis here from Generational Wealth Academy. Now on today's video I am going to be sharing with you how to save a template after perhaps you have installed an auto trader or an indicator, a custom indicator. Now at the top right hand corner here you can see that there is an auto trader which is installed, hence you have that with a smiley face. That is the auto trading button enabled. If it is green, it is enabled. If it is red, you click on it and it's red, it's disabled. If you click on it again, it's enabled. Now what I am going to do is basically to open up a different currency pair. This is the Aussie dollar USD. Let's open the USDCHF. Okay, what I am going to do now is to basically install an indicator, a custom indicator, one of my indicators, and save it as a template. One of the benefits of having a template saved is basically, no matter what currency pair you open, you can obviously then apply that template to it. So let's do this. We have one of my indicators there, Precision Trader. Let's click on it. Let's have the password there. We'll paste the password in there. And let's just change the size of the alert balls, and there we have it. We have the balls there, the blue and the white balls, or the grayish balls, which alerts you as to when you have a potential buy alert or a sell. The white one obviously for a buy and the blue one for a sell. Obviously you don't take every signal. We teach you how to trade it and which one to take. This would have been a beautiful trade, a buy here, and you would have gotten a whole lot of pips. But anyway, that's for another video. Now, since I have this indicator applied on the chart, what I would then do is to come up here where you have the template button. You click on template, or you click on it, you choose to save, and from there you are going to name it whatever you want to call it. Or in this case, being the Precision Trader, we already have the Elite Trader there. We will simply type in Precision Trader and you click on Save. It's currently not there. This is a list of all the other indicators currently there and auto traders, which have been saved as templates. So you click on Save and you have it saved. Just to check that you've saved it, you would come up here and look for it, and there we go, we have it. Precision Trader. I can't get the word out. Precision Trader is there, saved. So what we're going to do is just to apply to a different currency pair. If you click on any currency pair, you can see there's nothing here now. There's nothing here. Ooh, what's that? If you click on here and you apply Precision Trader, see what happens. There we go. It applies Precision Trader for you. As a matter of fact, let's go here where you have all these indicators. This is busy. I didn't do this. There are some indicators I use which are numerous like this, but I didn't do this one. So we're going to apply Precision Trader to this one, and we're going to see what happens. Click on that, Precision Trader, and you see it changes it for you. So if you have any other template applied and you wanted to obviously switch to Precision Trader, that's what's going to happen. Now let's switch on to something else. Let's switch on to momentum. That's what it looks like. Let's switch on to volume. That's what it looks like. But let's come to ADX. Now let's go to our favorite precision trader. And there we go. So you can see the importance of saving a template. Otherwise, each time you would have to be, putting in the password and opening it and saving all over again. Okay, that's it for this video. Until next video, now feel free to join our Telegram group in case you are not already part of it. Join our Telegram group so that you can test out or try out this beautiful indicator and begin to make more pips and profits. And obviously, gain from our trading, Forex trading and crypto trading community, all the tips and other resources out there that you can use. Okay now, God bless.